welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create a dynamic calendar in Google Sheet. So let's get started with the video. So basically Google Sheet have this template. We just need to import it. How we can use this theme is you need to go to File, New, and there will be an option of From Template Gallery. Click on that. It will take you to this page. Scroll down. Under the personal, you will see annual calendar over here. Click on this annual calendar. It will start getting loaded. As you can see here, the annual calendar is being loaded. You just need to save this or customize this. When you will click on this year, you will see that the year is being set to today using a formula. That means if the year changes, for example, if you are in 2026 January, then it will fetch 2026 calendar automatically. So this formula are already been set here. You will also get the formulas yearly wise, monthly wise as well, January, February, March, April, and yearly wise as well. In order to customize your calendar, you need to click on this customize your calendar. And here you need to go to, if you want to make any customization, they have shared the steps as well. You need to go to format, and here you will see an option of themes. Here you can choose customize themes, and here if you want to make changes to font, you can choose the font as well according to your wish. It's totally up to you. If you want to select any colors, you can select. If you want the text colors, you can select the text colors as well. Chart background, if you want any, you can select that as well. It's SN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hyperlinks. If you want in a particular color, you can select that as well. Alright, and once you have done this, you just need to click on done and it will be set. You can choose from here as well and click on cancel. So as you can see, these themes will get applied. So basically this is how you can create your personal dynamic calendar in Google Sheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.